MEP Engineering Toolkits and Templates, the ultimate decision maker's control panel for project excellence. Upgrade your engineering workflows, eliminate costly site errors, and streamline project execution across all stages. This comprehensive resource hub delivers site-tested QA/QC checklists for data centers, hotels, and chillers, along with rigorous performance and compliance assessments tailored for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. Slash costs and maximize ROI. By standardizing quality control and site acceptance audits, these essential engineering toolkits protect your bottom line. They help companies significantly reduce expensive rework, prevent schedule delays, optimize energy efficiency, and streamline team performance. Access premium executive reports featuring risk analysis, project performance summaries, and strategic recommendations that give decision makers full project vision while cutting operational and capital expenditure. Get your copy at http://bit.ly/m/HVAC MEP.